The following video will go through the hours of availability that drivers have on MyGeotab. To begin, you'll want to go on the Compliance tab on the left-hand side panel, click on HOS, and then go to Availability. From there, you're going to want to select the driver or all drivers, and then click on Apply Changes. Now you're able to see the hours of availability for all drivers. Here you're able to see the cycle available that these drivers have starting tomorrow, the driving that they've done, time on duty, time on workday, and the length of the cycle. Features of the HOS availability can be seen here. This exclamation right here will give you a greater detail regarding this driver, such as the rule set, their location, the trailer, and the shipments they're carrying. These three dots to the right-hand side can show you the logs for the driver, can allow you to send them a message, can see a bit more of a detailed recap on the HOS availability, and see any violations that these drivers have. Now, if we want to see choose specifically one driver, we can go to Options, select the driver that you want to see, and then click Apply Changes. If we click on Recap View here, you can see a detailed breakdown of the availability each driver has and the amount of hours that they have driven each day. And that is the Hours of Service Availability tab on MyGeotab.